How to set up and maximize troop formation in Whiteout Survival. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to set up and maximize troops formation in Whiteout Survival. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you just need to click on your profile icon right there. And then from in there, you can see on the bottom corner is the troops, so just click on that. Then from in there, you can see the troops formation. So click on that in order to change your troops right here. So as you can see, this is an example of troop formation. Make sure that you have a balance of 3 right here. So you should have a lancer, a marksman, and an infantry. And then once you have those 3 and you created balance, then there's a higher chance of winning on battles and explorations and all of that. You can use this formation in order to hunt beasts or actually try to battle other players. So in here you can see the Supreme Infantry, Supreme Lancer, Supreme Marksman. So make sure that this is distributed evenly or close to even, because this will ensure high return rates for you. So you can also head over and make sure that your furnace level is up to level 23 and your VIP world or your BP world is in the World 8, and in that way you will receive more benefits when actually battling in Whiteout Survival. So the next thing in here is to make sure that when you're battling a player, you can just click on this marching right here and make sure to add another march queue, and that way you will have another battle or another match wherein you will also be able to reap more rewards in that way. You can enable it once you have reached BV level 6, or you can also unlock it by purchasing it on the store. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set up and maximize troops formation in Whiteout Survival. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!